Well, when I went to law school, I was fresh off of an internship with the U.S. Department of State. I had just returned from overseas from being a Fulbright scholar. I taught middle school for 2 years, and then I found myself in law school and quickly realized that the reality of being what's known as a public international law lawyer, somebody who's drafting treaties or representing the U.S. government as an attorney overseas, it's not a realistic career goal. But I found immigration law in my first year of law school and realized that it kind of played all of the same notes, and it had an added benefit of benefiting individual people, benefiting individual families. And frankly, I became enamored with the practice of immigration law because it seemed like I would be in a position to make profound changes in individuals' lives with my skill. And I'm honored to do that. I've never lost sight of the fact that what we do at our firm changes the lives of our clients. And in fact, it has a multi-generational effect on families. Similarly, in the employment-based context, immigration lawyers help small businesses and even larger businesses realize their goals of building a strong business, building a successful business. And so when I talk to my colleagues who practice law in other areas, the one thing that I always leave those conversations with is a real sense of pride and a sense of honor that, when I file a case or when I win a case, this is changing someone's life. It's not some kind of incremental difference between how two businesses negotiate with one another. This isn't a situation where, the property line at someone's house moves 15 feet in one direction. What we do as immigration attorneys has a direct impact on people's lives. We save people's lives in the asylum process. We enable entrepreneurs to fulfill the American dream. And that part of the process to me has always been just extraordinarily rewarding. I think that as immigration attorneys, we have a heightened responsibility to just be absolutely clear and absolutely honest with our clients about what is possible, what is not possible, and the correct or most prudent path to get from a place of not having status to a place of having status, or a place of needing an employee to be able to actually hire that employee. So I approach my practice from a standpoint of, not making this into a situation where I'm a salesman. I'm an attorney, I'm a counselor at law, and I take the obligation to provide people with straightforward, clear advice very seriously. And that means that sometimes I can't do anything for someone. And that means that sometimes someone walks out of my office, but I'd rather sleep well at night knowing that I told someone the truth than made a sale. And I think that is something that is really absolutely important to me as an immigration attorney, because of the impact that choosing to hire an attorney can have on someone's life or their livelihood.